Today we have found an awesome way to combine our love of Halloween and pumpkins with essential oils and diffusers. My name is Beverly.
My name is Brittany.
And we are from the Leaf Drop Revolution team with Young Living Essential Oils. And we have come up with this amazing way that you can actually enjoy your essential oils and your pumpkins. But more than that, it's a great way to bring your whole entire family together so that everyone gets a chance to interact with the essential oils. You can choose the pumpkins together, measure them to make sure they're the right size. You can carve them together, and you can even decide what essential oil you want to put inside the pumpkin too.
So the downside of carving your own pumpkin is that it will eventually mold on your front porch. So to preserve the pumpkin, you'll want to use this thieves spray and just spray the insides of it after carving it out, and that will make it last longer.
And also, if you happen to live in a really warm area where there is a lot of seasonal pests, you can diffuse purification inside the pumpkin, and that's going to help with those as well. If you're holding an indoor party, I actually recommend diffusing a really yummy pumpkin spice blend. That blend actually has, what is it, Brittany?
It has tangerine. You could also use orange, cinnamon, and nutmeg.
Yes, about 2 drops of each, and it creates this really awesome smell. Now, what's nice is that when you use a cold air diffuser, it actually is going to preserve the molecules that are in the essential oil, so you get all of the benefits of a nice live essential oil too. So step 1 is you want to choose your pumpkin. The size is really important. You want to make sure that it's tall enough, but you also want to make sure that it's wide enough, because if you select one that is too small or the exact size of your diffuser, you're going to end up having a really slimy diffuser.
Be sure to cut a hole in the back of your pumpkin. I used a drill. This allows you to place the cord inside of the pumpkin into the diffuser, which you put at the base. Next, you add your water. Tap water works the best with the dewdrop diffuser. And then you add your essential oils.
So one of the things that I discovered was that if you happen to draw your face on using permanent marker and you don't get all of those black lines out, you can actually use a few drops of lemon essential oil and get the permanent marker off. You can either drop it straight onto the pumpkin and give it a rub, or I found it actually works better if you drop the lemon essential oil onto the paper towel and then rub the permanent marker off of your pumpkin. Okay, so that's it. All you've got to do is plug it in, and then it is free to be set on your porch or in a window. It's going to look fantastic, and all of those essential oils in your pumpkin, it's going to make it last longer, chase off those seasonal pests if you still have them around, depending upon where you live in the country. And if you have them indoors, you're going to get all of the medicinal benefit of putting up those essential oils into the air. And as my son says, it actually helps the pumpkin to not smell so pumpkin-y. So enjoy your Halloween, everybody.